ChatGPT said, "Perfect, here is your full Bugatti Challenge 10 visual prompt with the style and keywords integrated clearly for use in AI image generation or directing a cinematic animation sequence." Full visual prompt, Challenge 10, final lap frenzy in the $4.2 million Bugatti. A heart-pounding, cinematic moment on a private racetrack during golden hour. A $4.2 million Bugatti Diva rockets into its final lap, the low-angle tracking camera capturing its sleek form hugging the asphalt. The car's ultra-detailed carbon fiber textures shimmer with golden sunset reflections. At 200 miles per hour, the tires scream as flames flick from the exhaust. The driver grips the steering wheel with laser focus, sweat visible on their brow through the windshield. Motion blue trails behind the Bugatti, with dust and sparks flying from the edges of the track. A drone captures a sweeping overhead shot of the Bugatti threading the final chicane, barely holding the racing line. The surrounding air is thick with tension, wind, and raw power. The emotion is pure adrenaline. Style and keywords for generation or direction. Photorealistic style, ultra-detailed carbon fiber textures. Cinematic lighting with golden sunset reflections, motion blur, dust trails, and sparks. Dynamic composition, low-angle plus aerial drone perspective. Emotion, tension, focus, adrenaline.